Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Shake. In this video I will tell you about how to set up screen mirroring on Fire TV. So first of all, step 1, power on your Fire TV and go to your home page. Now select the settings icon all the way to the right. Step 2, now select display and sounds. You should see it on the first row all the way to the right. Step 3, once you are in the display and sounds menu, you find a host of handy options that will allow you to do everything from setting up a home theater system with Alexa to changing your display and audio setting. This time you want to select Enable Display Mirroring. Step 4, after you click Enable Display Mirroring, you should see the name of your Fire TV on this page, as well as instruction how to connect. Keep that page up on your TV and go to the device you want to broadcast and choose your Fire TV to broadcast your screen. This will be a little different depending on what device you have. Step 5. Now that you have connected your device to your Fire TV, you can use it as you normally would. Just be aware that your Fire TV will broadcast everything you are doing on it. So if you don't want someone to see your text message or any other information while you are broadcasting, it's best to stay away from those apps. Thank you.